Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss the things related to the one accreditation program offered by the Bentley. Okay, so this I got recently approval and I got a badge also. So now I am a certified open roads designer. Okay, road designer. Okay, so regarding this course I'm going to discuss and brief you. Okay, so first thing, go to the Bentley communities and search for the basic road design accreditation. Okay, and you will get one folder like this. See, preparing basic road. Okay, in Bentley website also they have this thing. So in this thing, you have the two stages. First thing is you have to do a test, that is around 25 questions are there. In that 25 questions you have to prepare, means you have to answer. It's almost true or false questions. If you have experience in the open roads, it will be somewhat easy. If you don't have a look over the videos in the Bentley's site, then you can answer it. Okay, it's around 1 or 2 hours videos are there. It will explain the all corridor, all details. So after that, you can take the test. So you can take multiple times. Can you see? You must score 80%. Once you score that, you have to take a screen capture and send it to this mail ID. Okay. So after that, they will add you. And one more thing, along with screenshot, you have to just sign in the agreement. Means you are ready to take this test, like that. Some signature you have to send. That file also available in this folder itself. Okay, this folder you will get in the website, Bentley website. Okay, so once this is done, you have to send a mail. Okay, then when after getting 80%. Okay, so then they will add you in a Bentley communities here, Bentley Civil Accreditation Program. Okay, once that is done, they will provide you the data in this folder, share folder. Okay, scroll down the project base 365 services, and then here you will get the data. What data? I'll show you. Yes. So mainly they will provide the data, nothing but the survey data and the template and super elevation file. Okay, so like that they will provide some set of data. So after that you have to carry out the 8 tasks. Around 8 tasks are there. One is horizontal alignment. See, these are the tasks: horizontal alignment, and then vertical alignment you have to do. After that, offset geometry, whatever the tools are there in the horizontal design. Okay, offset tapper, all those things that you have to use, and you have to create some lines. Okay, and then super elevation you have to do. After that, corridor modeling. In this thing, you no need to create any template. You have to use the inbuilt templates from the training and examples work set. Okay, once this is done, you have to carry out the earthwork quantities. Okay, after that the final part will be drawing production. This total 8 tasks you have to do, and you have to send, you have to combine all the files and send it to the and you have to upload it, not send. You need no need to send, you have to upload in the same folder. Okay, so see, uh, around this is the alignment. You have to carry out this survey file. Okay, and terrain file also they will give. Okay, file also, and they will give a clear instructions. There is no need to, means hurry, or no need to bother. Okay, they will clear instructions, but this test is very very useful. Once you have qualified this, they will provide a approval mail. Okay, they will say that you are approved road designer, like that. Okay, so guys, please have a look and try to attend this. If you're having a uh, true licensed open roads designer. Okay, and if you don't have license, I don't think it may work or not. Okay, but anyway, have a look over the test. At least the 25 questions are there. Okay, in that test, at least you will get a basic idea what type of questions are there. And open roads designer is nowadays, it's getting demand over the all over the world. UK especially, and Canada also, they are going to implement, because inroads is going to get means decreased now the usage. Okay, it's a very good competitor for civil roads, civil 3D. Okay, So guys, please try to do this test. Okay, it will be very helpful. Okay, please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos like this.